Welcome to Introduction to Hip Hop. Today's lesson, toprocking. Toprocking is a major element in breaking or break dancing. These moves are typically done from a standing position and rely on coordination, rhythm, and style. Let's start rocking out with one of the foundation moves. This involves a forward step and opening up your arms, as seen in the video. Swing your arms in and out from a closed to open position while stepping out with your feet. Try to stay light on your feet and only tap the floor in front of you. Here's an example. This next move is a kicking side step. It involves a kick and a side step as demonstrated by my volunteer Marco. When you kick, make sure your other foot is sliding back to where your kicking foot was. And with your arms, you push forwards when you kick and push sideways when you step. Here's an example. When you step, just like in the first move, only tap the floor in front of you and stay light on your feet. Now just find some upbeat music to dance to, and there you have it.